if angle EOC is equal to 4 times angle DOC and angle AOC is equal to 2 times angle BOC in the figure below, what is the measure of angle DOB? Alright, so angle EOC is equal to 4 times angle DOC. So if we let angle DOC is equal to x, which is this part right here, then angle EOC is 4 times x, 4x, right? Since this is x, we can say this is 3x. Does that make sense? And this 3x is equal to 90 degrees, right? Because if this is a right angle, this is also a right angle, 90, right? So we know that x is equal to 30, right? Now let's look at this angle right here, angle AOC. AOC is right here, is equal to 2 times angle BOC. So BOC is right here, right? If we let angle BOC is equal to y, then this is going to be 2y, right? If this is y, this is 2y, right? Since this part right here, angle DOA, that's right angle, that's 90 degrees, right? So we know that x plus 2y, x is from here to here, 2y from here to here. Sum of these two angles is equal to 90 degrees, right? So we can write x plus 2y is equal to 90 degrees. And we know that x is equal to 30, right? So 30 plus 2y is equal to 90. Then 2y is 60. Then y is equal to 30, right? So the question was, what is the measure of the angle DOB, right? DOB is from here to here, right? This angle right here. If this is y and this is 2y, then angle COB from here to here, that's y, right? So from here to here, that's y. So angle DOB is equal to x plus y, right? X plus y. So that is equal to x is 30, y is 30, so angle DOB is 60 degrees, right?